So, whenever you choose a topic, uh, जस्ट सी टू इट कि आप उसके ऊपर 3 मिनट बोल सकते हो. देन प्रिपेयर एन आउटलाइन ऑफ द टॉपिक, लाइक what would be the introduction or how you are going to divide the topic. ठीक है. First is the introduction, second could be the main body in which you can cover up the past, present and the future of the topic, and in the last you can conclude it. Okay. And whenever you speak about any subheading, ठीक है, include 3 to 4 points in it. Like if we are talking about past, you can include 3 points about the topic, and the present scenario, what are the current things which are going in that topic, and future you can include ki what they are looking forward, and if you have any opinion you can include that too while concluding or in the future aspect. Okay. Then, while giving the lecturate, so let's assume you have prepared for 3 minutes, and then your chance come for giving the lecturate. So as we discussed before, the body language, that is very important here. So you have to stand very confidently, and mostly you will be standing in front of the students, in front of the candidates. Okay. And there will be just a chair. So besides the chair, stand in a Vishram position, chest up, chin up, and stand confidently, your hands behind your back. And while speaking about the lecturate, maintain the eye contact with the candidates, not with the GTO but with the candidates. Okay. Have a composed facial expressions ki yes, I know what I'm going to speak about, and calmly express it. ठीक है. एंक्शियस नहीं होना है. यू डोंट हैव टू बी एंक्शियस, और यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अ लॉट कि कैसे होगा, वो क्या बोलूँगा मैं, ठीक से बोलूँगा कि नहीं. दैट इज़ नॉट द करेक्ट टाइम फॉर इट. एंड द मोर यू कीप योर सेल्फ काम, the more clarity it will show while giving the lecturate. Okay. And this is one, what you can say, a extra tip for you. You can start with a catchy phrase and introduce the topic. So if the topic is for neighboring countries of India, you could say we can choose friends but we cannot choose our neighbors. So this is something what can be a catchy phrase for our topic. And then you can say ki good morning GTO sir and gentlemen, today I am going to talk about neighboring countries of India. And then you can start with how you are going to divide the topic, which headings you are going to cover, and then you can start. Okay. Next point is you have to speak with conviction. ठीक है. Present balanced viewpoints and cover all the aspects. So when we talk about this, you have to need to remember कि you can't be biased with any topic. ठीक है. Like if we are talking about like introduction of AI or AI's dominance, you can't say कि AI is taking everyone's job, and hence we should not use AI or we should ban AI. ठीक है. You cannot be just covering one perspective of it. You have to be balanced and you have to cover everything. So talking about advantages, talking about disadvantages, how it is affecting us, and how we can reduce the impact of the current scenarios or anything which is not working in our favor, but we can make improvements in it. So you have to cover all the aspects. ठीक है. छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स रखना, कीप इट शॉर्ट एंड ब्रीफ, बट ट्राई टू इंक्लूड ऑल द headings and all the aspects in the lecturate. Okay. Any doubts till now? Anything?
सर कभी कभी होता है कि आई कांटेक्ट नहीं मेंटेन हो पाता, तो व्हाट कैन वी डू?
ठीक है. if you are not able to keep eye contact with everyone, what you can do is you can like keep your like आप उनके फोरहेड पे ध्यान रख सकते हो. You can look towards their forehead, और वो ऐसे ही लगता है कि वो आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन
Okay,
ट्राई ट्राई ट्रिक.